Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix recycle bin icon does not refresh automatically on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your recycle bin icon not refreshing automatically, means when you empty your recycle bin it's not showing empty, or when it is full it's not showing full, then I will show you how to fix this issue. The first option is you just need to click on start menu, then type here desktop icon. You can see here first option themes and related settings. You just need to click on this. In right side you can see a related setting. Click on desktop icon setting. Here you can see recycle bin full. You just need to click on this, then click on restore default. After that you will find recycle bin empty. Select this and click on restore default, then click OK, then close this window. This was the method 1, and the second method is you just need to open your file explorer. Here you can see a view option. You just need to click on this, click on show option, then select hidden items. After selecting this, you just need to go to the Windows install drive. I have installed Windows on my C drive, so I will open this drive. Go to the users folder, open your user folder. In this you can see here app data. You just need to open this folder. Here you will find local folder. Open this, scroll down, go to the last. You can see here you will find one file icon cache. You just have to delete this file. Just right click on that and delete. After completion of this, once you to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix recycle bin icon does not refresh automatically on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.